24 Celsius on my Alseye fan controller, guys. Check this out. 24 Celsius and RPM going to low, like you can see on the top. 25 RPM going to low, like you can see, and the van is 25 Celsius minimum temperature. Fan controller not do beep beep because 25 Celsius is minimum temperature for my Noctua industrial fan, and this was issue because Noctua fan can rotate from 25 Celsius. When go on a lower RPM under 25 Celsius, my fan controller outside do beep beep because this industrial fan can't go under 25 Celsius. This was problem. When you need go under 25 Celsius, you must buy Noctua NF20. This fan can go lower RPM, and this is without any issues. This industrial fan can go lower RPM. This was issue and this was problem. Why Alseye controller do beep beep every time when I was under 25 Celsius? This was issue. Absolutely perfect when 27 Celsius, 28 Celsius, 29, and go awesome working without any issues, without any beep beeps. Absolutely perfect. I've solved this issue. I found simple solution. I hope that will help you for all. And these fan controllers are absolutely awesome. Alseye is very good. This not error on Alseye controller, but this is error with Noctua industrial fan, because this industrial fan working perfect but can go lower than 25 Celsius. When you have under 25 Celsius, controllers do beep beep. When temperature increase on 25 Celsius, controller stop, do beep beep, and all working perfect and without any issues, without any problems, and all is awesome, all is perfect. Have a nice day. This is very easy issue solution and awesome, perfect. This is my Zalman case. red, LED, blue, white. Awesome. I love and I highly recommend that these Alseye fan controllers absolutely perfect. 4.6 fan absolutely good. Have a nice day all.